Good morning, everybody. It is Monday, April 6th, and you know what time it is. We're going to get into the prices of cryptocurrencies. So when we left off on Friday, Bitcoin had actually jumped over the $7,000 threshold. And over the weekend, we saw a very, very consistent cryptocurrency market. Basically, Bitcoin stayed between $6,700 and $6,800 all weekend. So let's jump into the current price of Bitcoin, up 2% at $6,945. Ethereum up 2.9% at $147.81. Dash up 1.7% at $69.15. And Litecoin up 2.2% at $41.54. Now let's take a closer look at the chart of Bitcoin. You can see here it was trading between $6,750 and $6,800 all weekend, and now as of Monday it started climbing straight up with its high point at about $7,000, $6,956.41. We should see some amazing movement this week in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Join us later today for the news when we go over the top crypto articles written over the weekend to see how Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are going to trend. Please don't forget to like the Facebook page, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and we will see you in the later video.